Who can live without Wi-Fi for a day? This technology seems to be our best friend, and everything we do in our daily lives is with the use of Wi-Fi. It allows us to connect into the vast digital world, the internet. It allows us to chat with friends, enter meetings, and play games. So it seems like all of our daily activities is through Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi stands for wireless fidelity, and with the word wireless, we can say that the Wi-Fi allows us to access the internet wirelessly. If we jump to the 1980s, our computers were connected to the internet via Ethernet cables, so there weren't any Wi-Fi or wireless fidelity to allow these devices to connect to the internet wirelessly. Fast forward to the 1990s, electrical engineer John O'Sullivan and his team decided to work on wireless networking, and this is where we'll witness the creation of Wi-Fi. In 1997, John and his team launched the first version of the IEEE 802.11 protocol. Wait, what the heck is this protocol? Apparently, this is the technical name of Wi-Fi. Now, let us now turn this video into a history class and begin with how the Wi-Fi works. Wi-Fi is a wireless networking technology that uses radio waves to provide internet and network connections. This technology is used to send and receive messages, images, and videos, as well as access the internet and explore this digital world. It allows devices such as computers, smartphones, and tablets to communicate with each other and access the internet without the need of physical cables like Ethernet cables. Remember that these devices should be Wi-Fi enabled devices, or devices that are equipped with a wireless adapters that allows the conversion or translation of data into a radio signal and transmit that signal using an antenna which your wireless router receives. So we understand that Wi-Fi uses radio waves to transmit data from your router, which is a network device that connects multiple devices to the internet and with each other to your device. Compared to Bluetooth, which I already did a video about how this wireless technology works, it uses radio waves to transmit data between devices, while Wi-Fi uses radio waves to transmit data between your router to your device. Now, the frequency of Wi-Fi radio waves is within 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. The 2.4 GHz frequency band has the longest range compared to the 5 GHz frequency band. This 2.4 frequency band can interfere with devices such as Bluetooth devices, microwave ovens, and cordless phones. This can cause interference on the band, leading to slower speeds and weaker signals, or even losing your Wi-Fi connection, because these devices also use the 2.4 GHz frequency band. On the other hand, we have 5 GHz frequency band. It is less likely to experience interference with other devices, but the only problem with it is that it has a short range. The reason is that having high frequency, which technically offers higher speed and stronger signals, is more easily absorbed by other obstacles, which decreases the distance. So when it comes to speed and stronger signals but shorter distance, use the 5 GHz frequency band. But for weaker signals and long distance, use the 2.4 GHz frequency band. Now let me give you an example. When you send a message to your friend, and we know that data is transmitted via radio waves, so your device sends radio wave signals to your router which receives that data. But what exactly happens behind the scenes? Basically, data is converted to a digital format, which is a sequence of binary numbers that consists of zeros and ones, because we all know that these are the machine's language. Then to pack this information and send them via radio wave signals, a process called modulation, which is the process of adding information to the radio waves. The modulated signal is then sent over the wireless router, which demodulates the signal to extract the data. The router then sends the data to its intended destination. Now, we all hate slow Wi-Fi, so what slows connection speed? Logically, distance. The further you are away from your router, the slower the connection is. Interference with obstacles such as walls, metal, or devices using the same frequency band as yours, such as 2.4 GHz frequency band. Overcrowding, or too many devices connected to a single router. Outdated router or old devices that doesn't support Wi-Fi's latest versions. And not to forget, if the device is infected with malware, it can witness slow connection speed. And there you have it. We now know how the Wi-Fi works and explored how this technology that allows us to connect to the internet wirelessly works. Thank you for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it was valuable and helpful for you. Now, before we end this video, I want to ask you a question. Do you know how Bluetooth works? Well, if not, go ahead and check out this video. Or maybe I can interest you in watching this video about big data and how it can revolutionize our future.